Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the parental controls on your PlayStation 5 if you forgot the passcode. So we can go to settings and then go on down to family and parental controls. Now, if we do remember the default code, it's 00000. So we can just type that in right now. And then when we get into just the section for this, we want to go to the child account and then select it. So type in that passcode. And then we want to set everything to do not restrict. So we got the PlayStation 5 games. I can play every game, don't restrict. Don't restrict for this. Then Blu-ray, DVD, country, PlayStation VR, and then web browsing. So if we forgot that little passcode, what we could do is back out of here, go on down to System, then go to the right and go to Reset Options, and then go to Reset your PlayStation 5. This is going to delete everything off your PlayStation 5 and revert it back to the default values. Along with the passcode pin, it's going to revert to 0000, whatever it was before. So this will probably take like 10 minutes to do. And then you're going to have to download your games, and then you're going to have to sign in. So if you have anything you want to save, you need to transfer it over to a USB drive right now. So we have this option for backup and restore. You can back up your games, apps, and data console to a USB storage device right here. Just plug in a USB drive, and then you should be good to go. If you have PlayStation Plus, go to Save Data, Game App Settings, and just make sure everything is uploaded to the cloud storage, and we can download this once again when we're back in. So if you don't care about your video clips or anything like that, you can just go and do that. Otherwise, you can go to your video clips and copy the USB drive through this menu. But then you can go back on over to where it says Family and Parental Controls, and then you can just type in that default password 0000, and you should be able to set everything to do not restrict. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.